Learning to design a Shopify website is a smart move for selling online in 2026 and beyond. Shopify helps you create a professional and fast store without any complex coding. This comprehensive guide will teach you how to design, customize, and launch your Shopify store effectively. First, let's understand what Shopify is. It's an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows you to launch and manage your online store. It handles hosting, security, payments, and updates, allowing you to focus on design and sales. You can design your own Shopify website even if you're a beginner. With easy drag and drop sections, themes, and built-in tools, creating an attractive Shopify site is straightforward. To create a Shopify website from scratch, follow these steps. Start by creating a Shopify account using your email. You can explore the platform with a free trial before making any payments. Next, choose a memorable store name that reflects your products. This name will become part of your Shopify URL. Then, select a Shopify theme. This dictates your website's appearance. Start with a clean, responsive theme to enhance usability. After that, add products by uploading images, descriptions, prices, and variants. Clear and engaging content is key for your customers. Finally, set up your payment and shipping options. Shopify supports various payment gateways and allows you to configure shipping zones and rates. Now, let's focus on how to design your Shopify website to look professional. Remember, design is not just decoration, it's about clarity, trust, and usability. Use a simple layout to avoid clutter and guide visitors toward products. Choose 2 or 3 brand colors for consistency and readability. Use high-quality images, ensuring they load quickly. Customization is what makes your store unique. You can use the theme editor to change colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also create custom pages, like landing and contact pages, enhancing your marketing performance. If you're short on time, you can successfully design a store in just 10 minutes using a free theme and demo content. While this is great for testing ideas, you'll want to refine the design later. Cost is an important consideration. Shopify plans come with a monthly fee, and design costs vary based on the complexity of the site. If you design it yourself, your costs will be low, but hiring a professional may lead to a polished look. If you're looking for a quick, low-cost solution, use a free theme and rely on Shopify's built-in features. This approach is great for beginners and keeps costs to a minimum. Shopify excels in web design because it combines flexibility with ease of use. Most users can create a basic site in just a few hours. The time required to build your site depends on your design choices and content. Unique branding and product presentation will make your store stand out. As you design, remember the golden rules of web design: clarity, simplicity, consistency, responsiveness, and speed. These are essential for success. To continuously improve your Shopify website, use analytics to track performance, run A/B tests for layout changes, and collect customer feedback. Optimize loading speed by compressing images and reducing unused tabs. Remember, strong branding is vital. Use a consistent visual identity across your pages and share your story on your About page. Design for emotional connections with customers through images and copy. Finally, keep your site updated regularly. Monitor performance metrics and adapt to changes in user behavior. When redesigning, focus on improving conversion rates and user experience. Now that you know how to design a Shopify website, it's time to take action. Start today by choosing a theme, adding your products, and building a store that reflects your brand. Don't forget to promote your store through social media and SEO to drive traffic. Are you ready to turn your idea into a profitable Shopify store? Begin your journey now.